At 678 Riversville Road in Greenwich, Connecticut. A beautiful 5-bedroom home on 4 acres, surrounded by Audubon property and trees and green, with riding stables, a riding ring, and a guest cottage. So this is the driveway as you enter. There are 2 roads on the property. This one that we're looking at now goes right down to the riding ring, and we can go inside the house. So inside, all the main rooms are facing the south, and it's beautiful and sunny. Nice big living room with a fireplace that goes through to the dining area. A view of the riding ring and stables and deck out that window. And that's the guest cottage up on the hill. Here's the living room. And this fireplace goes through and opens to a beautiful dining room with a super high ceiling, which could also be used as a family room. And there's a study beyond. Also with a view. Every window you look out, you see something nice. It's surrounded by Audubon property. And we have eat-in kitchen. And this is utilities. This is the entrance to the 2-car garage. Laundry area, powder room. Back out to the 2-car garage with a doggy door. So you step right into the kitchen. There are 2 master suites on the property. This is one, which is currently being used as an artist studio. And it has a loft up there, just for fun. A little in-home office, could also be a dressing room. All the bathrooms in this house have been updated. Here's master bath number 1 with a shower, sink, beautiful tub, and master bedroom right here. 2 big walk-in closets. Here's one. And another over here. And on the other side of the house, there's another master suite and 3 additional bedrooms. Back to the living room. So on this side of the house, we have another master suite. Right here, nice big room with 3 exposures. Every window you look out, you just see beautiful woods and trees and open space. 2 closets here and more. There's a sink and a second master bath in here. Back out, then there are 2 additional bedrooms here to make 4 total on this floor. Here's one. Hall closet. This is the hall bath. And another bedroom here. So there's 4 bedrooms total on this floor, with a closet, of course. Then we can go downstairs. And downstairs we have another suite with a beautiful big bedroom, nice and bright, west facing, high ceiling, nice bedroom with a door to walk out and complete privacy, and a closet, of course. An open area here. This door opens to the furnace and utilities, and a full bath here with a shower, and then another room here, which is another living room or family room with beautiful big window looking out onto complete privacy. And we have this room at the end, which is sort of the horse and dog room. There's a stable. There's another full bath, which is basically used mostly for washing off after you've been in the stables. And go out, and outside we have 6 stables down here with paddocks and a riding ring, and there are 4 more up above. And then you can see the house from the outside. Beautiful big deck on the outside. And that is some of 678 Riversville Road in Greenwich, Connecticut.